Let me treat you to one of my ultimate sinful culinary indulgences, friends. We're making braised rice in cured lamb and its broth. So here is our cured lamb. It is the rib and breast area of the lamb, and I cured it with just salt, friends, and it is totally delicious, friends. I've cut it up. You see it has cartilage in it. That is the best part. I've cut it up. It's in the pot. I'm adding some coconut oil. This is cold pressed, so it is coconutty, unapologetically. Yes, that coconut flavor I find really complements this dish. A pinch or a little bit of curry powder will go a long way to kick up the flavors in here. All right, so that goes in there, as well as some sliced onions. We're just going to cook this for about a minute, and that is all she wrote. Then we'll add our washed jasmine rice. I love using jasmine rice for this recipe because it cooks super tender and fluffy at the same time, and that texture is amazing, friends. Go in with some water, stir to combine, make sure your water is above your rice, about ½ an inch. Then we're going to cover the pot and cook the rice through, as well as the cured lamb, friends. So you see that cartilage, I love munching on that, and it cooks super tender. I love that texture. All right, so cover the pot. Now we're cooking on low heats for 20 minutes, and when we go back, we want to stir it, right, friends? We want to stir it so that the rice cooks through. When you stir it, you're also sort of fluffing it up, and it helps the rice to cook much faster and evenly, friends. And at this stage, we want to trap the steam. Then use that steam to cook the rice and the cured lamb the rest of the way through, and that should take about 25 minutes undisturbed on low heat, friends. It's cooked, it's done, we're ready to eat, friends. And yes, that's a little bit of fat on that cured lamb. That is the best part, friends, and it's okay. You can have a little bit of fat every now and then. Don't eat this every day, okay? Just let me put that out there. Don't eat this every day. You know, maybe twice a year or maybe 3 times a year. That's good. And then detox after that, and you'll be just fine, friends. It's a simple indulgence, really. What else can I say, friends? Now, if you have some sausage or hot dog links, just give them a slight toast. Fry some egg or an omelette, and it goes very well with this fresh pepper sauce. We call it meko in Ghana, meko yirawa. We are all here for it, friends, aren't we? Now watch and see how I played it. So now we're bringing some healthy fats in the form of avocado. Yes, and doesn't it go well with avocado? Oh, it sure does, and you must try it. I thank you for watching, for liking the video, for subscribing, and for sharing. Make it a great day and have fun, especially in that kitchen. Thank you, beautiful person, for watching the video all the way to the end. Kindly leave me a comment and subscribe down below, and don't forget to share the video as well. Also, watch more videos. It is chop time, and here in Anaba's kitchen, chop time is always yes, friends. So pull up a chair. We are all friends and family here.